Here we're given an equation with all these variables. We're asked to solve for C. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to change this equation. I'm going to keep C, but I'm going to change the E and M to just some regular numbers and walk through how to solve that. If I were solving this equation for C, the first step, since C is squared, before I undo that square, I need to get what is squared by itself. So first I'm going to divide each side by 5. Now I can undo that square by taking the opposite of squaring, which is square root. So I'm going to take the square root of both sides, and that cancels out the square. So my answer would just be the square root of 2. C equals the square root of 2. Now let's try this one. So same deal. I'm going to undo this multiplying by m so that what is squared is by itself. So I'm going to divide both sides by m. On the right side, that m divided by m cancels out, but unlike that example problem I did in the purple and blue, I can't just divide e by m and say the answer is y. We don't know what e is, we don't know what m is, so we just need to leave it as e divided by m. Now we can undo that squaring by taking the square root. And when we take the square root of both sides, that square root cancels out the square because they are opposite operations, they are inverses. Now notice that I took the square root of the entire left side. So that square root symbol needs to be over the numerator, the e, and the denominator. And so the answer would be B.